Hi guys, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, and today we are going to be talking about when you have to file your corporate income tax return. So the corporate income tax return is due 6 months, okay, after the end of your tax year. As a corporation, you can pick your own year end. So for example, if your year end is in June 30 instead of December 31st, then your corporate taxes will be due on December 31st because your year end is June 30th plus 6 months. So December 31st will be the last day you can file your corporate tax return. So this is different from the actual balance owing, which is obviously over here, you can see. So these are two different things. So when you have to pay your corporate taxes, it's due 2 months after your year end, okay, for most corporations. Now, if you are a CCPC or Canadian Controlled Private Corporation and you meet all these criteria, numbers 1 to 4, then it is due 3 months after your year end. So for this example, if your year end is June 30th, again, you can pick your own fiscal year end if you're a corporation, then it's due June, July, August. So this, normally it will be due 2 months, so it would be due on August, right? But if you are, again, one of those corporations that meet these criteria that allow you to pay 3 months instead of 2 months later, then instead of August, you will be paying on your last day to pay will be September 30th. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I hope this was clear. Again, these are two different due dates. So file your corporate tax return 6 months after your year end, pay your corporate taxes owing 3 months after your year end. I know it sounds crazy because how can you pay without knowing what you owe, which you'll only know how much you owe if you actually filed your corporate tax return, right? So just be sure that these due dates are followed. Most people, they'll try to remit something, 2 to 3 months, again, within the 2 to 3 month period, even if they haven't filed their corporate tax return, just so they have remitted something to the CRA and they don't get penalized. But again, please make sure that you understand these are two different due dates. And although it's confusing, make sure you follow them. Thanks. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.